Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathsology with Mato, and this video is very important for all the student under graduation. And one of my junior, Mohammed, he is Google student ambassador, and he wanted to tell many students Google is offering Gemini Pro free for all the students, and you can avail this offer till 15 September only. And apart from this free version, you will also get 2 TB storage of data, and in college life we all know importance of it. So in this video, he is going to explain you each and everything, like how you can use Gemini Pro to make your work efficient and all. And apart from it, how can you avail this offer? So please watch this whole video, and all the necessary links and documents will be provided in the description. Kindly refer that. And I hope you will get benefit from this video. Over to you, Mohammed.
Yes, so hello everyone, and a very good day to everyone who is watching this. Firstly, I would like to thank my alumni, Mr. Suraj Mahato, for giving this opportunity to come to this platform and inform you about all. So basically, myself, Mohammad Ahmad Ansari, and currently I am serving as Google Student Ambassador for a program of which if most of you, I guess, may be knowing that Google Gemini is currently offering its pro version to students, to the university students at free of cost without any charges for approximately 1 year. After that, whatever the charges are there, that you need to pay, right? So firstly, let me explain what is Google Gemini to you. So we'll start with an introduction to the product and its features for students. So before you are going to take, let me discuss some of the applications of that. So basically, what is Google Gemini, right? So it is one of your creative and helpful collaborator, a tool that sparks your creativity, accelerates your productivity, and brings your ideas to life. For example, if you're having any ideas in your mind, you can just give the prompt and Gemini will generate most suitable type of answer for you. For example, if you want to learn some programming language, create some schema, something like that, you just need to give the prompt to it and it will give you a best response. Then what is the Google Gemini student offer? Students, meet your new study buddy. This is the main motive of that. First of all, college students get a Gemini upgrade for 1 year, which cost is 19,500, but for students it is provided free of cost. Similarly, what you are getting that is get unlimited homework help, revise means all the features for that. Now, one of the main important thing that this feature is only available till 15 September 2025. After that, the feature is not going to be available. Only those who have taken the subscription will be able to use the Gemini Pro version till 1 year, right? So what makes Gemini unique, right? Because as we know that there are various types of LLMs already in the market. So what makes Gemini? So we have many of the features of Gemini, starting the first Gemini Live, which is available to all. Basically, all the features which are here, these are available to all. The one thing which is video generation, that is the feature of Gemini, which is called as Veo. So it is not available to all, it is only available to Pro and Ultra subscriptions. Okay, so if you are going to take the Pro subscription, you can get access to this one also, and these are the other subscriptions. Similarly, for faculties also, and Google Gemini is currently integrated to most of the Google products. For example, whenever you will visit the Google Classroom, you will see that get help with Gemini. Like the teachers and the instructors are getting options to generate quizzes, assignments, assessment, all the things with the help of Gemini. Gemini is also integrated in PowerPoint, slides, something like that way. So basically, these are all the services which are provided. I start with the first one, which is the Gemini Live. So what you can do, ask Gemini about anything you see, share your camera or screen in Gemini Live conversation. It will record your audio, video and screen share. For example, now currently Instagram ke upar, like there is one of the main trends going on after the Ghibli art. This is creating a portrait of yourself, right? So basically that is also done like with the help of Nano Banana. That is one of the feature of Gemini. So you can use Gemini in order to make the some of the trends, something like that way, and can post. So this is possibly the use cases for something like that, like setting debates, coaching and learning, getting advice from Gemini. Then we have the second feature, that is something called as Gemini Live with the help of videos, right? As I told, that Veo is one of the features of Gemini with the help of which you can access the videos and send it to the Gemini and ask something like, for example, troubleshoot and repair. For example, you are seeing on YouTube also sometimes Gemini Live ad comes where people, like some of the college students are sitting on and ask that how to connect one machine to another. So the other one instructing that just post it to Gemini and it generates a very nice response. Like it will give you a complete response from where to connect which wires, something like that way. It will help you in the help of video generation also. Next we have screen share. You can do the screen share, the troubleshooting, skill development, learning part of personal shopper for yourself. Then we have something called as video generation. Now you can generate videos. This is Veo 3. As I told, one of the tools of Gemini is Veo 3. That is the highest and latest video generation model. Simply describe what you want in mind and watch your ideas come to life in motion. Like it will create a must sir walking video something for you, right? So you can see that this is the prompt, basically text to video creation, 8-second video, 24, like, but you need to give a better prompt to it in order to make it one of the things which you actually want, right? So basically, see, these are the prompt structures which you can make. See, so this is subject, then action, then camera motion. So you must know what prompt to give. Even if you have not given a good prompt, on the basis of the output you can ask it to modify. It will modify you and give the best image until you are not satisfied. Similarly, we have the next feature, something called as canvas, where you can write the code, create the code. Especially the engineering and software engineering students, they have the most use of this. For your Python script, JavaScript, something like that, right? Canvas, which is the main UI of Gemini. So basically, creating a calculator, you can just create a calculator within few minutes just by giving and writing the prompt that create a calculator for time and work. It will give you the entire code to make this something like this way, and many other things. You can also create games with the help of Gemini. So it is providing you with everything, different types of game, not only some. Next, we have something called as deep research. For example, final year students and some of the pre-final year students, they are asked to make research papers, publish in journals. So basically, this feature is most important for them. Like it will give you the research papers. Like this feature is very important because it will give you the research papers related to a topic. You just need to give your topic. It will perform the literature survey and give you the research papers, the citations, cross citations, and something like that way. And it will help you make your research papers more authentic and academic. So you can see this. Then deep research prompt, like current access, up to date information and news. Then you have hyper local, multiple resources. So this is all, this is the deep research ka application. Then we have something called as audio overview. So these are all the features with the help of which you can just make your life very much easier. And this is something called as gems. Like in order to create your custom AI expert, for example, we have Alexa, we have Siri. So you can make Gemini something like that way also. And then image generation, you give a prompt, and with the help of this tool, something called as Imagen 4, which is the tool of Gemini, you can create various. For example, bring your imagination to life, whether you are looking to create a funny image or something like a background image. As I told, the Instagram that trend, that is also done with the help of this. So see, the prompt is there, and on the basis of prompt, some beautiful images are generated for you. Now, as I told, that Google extension, right? Gemini is already integrated in many of the Google products. You can say that Google Maps is there. Then we have Google Slides. Then we have something called as Google Classroom. So all these things, it is already integrated, right? Other use cases you can see where all, I mean, it means in most of the things it is there. Now, as I told you that you need to write prompts better, right, in order to Gemini to understand. So even if you are going, you can ask Gemini that, okay, this is some of the prompt which I want to give, can you please more specify further in order to get a more good output. So this is basically the prompt which will be generated by Gemini. So the output and all, like I am 5, like you can give the topic to me like I am 5, then give me an analogy for a sum of the topics, like to understand better. For example, most of us would like to understand with the help of diagrams and analogy, so you can do with the help of this also. Yes, now we come to, like, once you have taken the subscription, next is the part how you will be going to be updated with Gemini. So you must join the Gemini community, of which, or the Google Gemini, the main page of the Gemini, and you can stay updated with that also. So that was it from the presentation side. Now let me show you the implementation of how you can get Google Gemini as a student for free. Yes, so now this is the complete documentation of how you can get the Gemini. It will be provided to you, no issues. I'm just explaining it. So firstly, the first step in order to get this subscription is search on Google Gemini. Like you have to go to your browser, except for Brave browser, because there it is not working currently. So you have to go to Chrome browser or something like that way, and you have to type Google Gemini. So there is no need of signing up or login. You just type Google Gemini, click on the first link, and you are on the page. Then you have to come back to this document, right? Then what you have to do, click on this Gemini offer link and wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Like once you are going to click the link, or you have this following QR code. Okay, so both may say like any, like it is an or case. If the link is not working, you can go with the scanner. If scanner is not working, you can go with the link. So in both of the conditions, you have to click or you have to scan and wait for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, a blue screen will appear, and then after that blue screen you will be redirected to the official Gemini page which you have opened in your browser. So after waiting for this 10 to 20 seconds, a prompt will run in Gemini in the console automatically in the UI, and that prompt will be tell me about student discount offer in India. So you have to wait patiently, and then the prompt will occur. Okay, so once the prompt will occur, then what is the next step? In the starting of the prompt, the response by Gemini will contain a hyperlink embedded in the message here. Like it will tell you to sign up with offer, click here. So you have to click on that here, and you will be redirected to the official Gemini offer website. Now some students may face trouble because as most of the students are getting this offer, so if the prompt is not executing, right, and the Gemini terminal is there like that way, so what you do, you come to this document again, and you just need to click on the link or scan again. If it stays that the prompt is already scanned, means you have done the first step. There is no need for you to get the prompt again and again, because the link and the QR code can be used only once. So if it says prompt already scanned, no need to do nothing. You can just click this link, that is Google One student offer page. So basically clicking on that above step 3 here or clicking here will take you to the same page. Okay, this is provided for the convenience who cannot get the step 3 here option. So once you click this, then you will be redirected to this page, which is something called as Google student offer, which is the main page. You don't need to do anything, you just have to click on get student offer. Okay, 0 rupees for 12 months. Okay, once you're done, then you have the next step, that is to set the auto pay. Right now auto pay is basically like for 1 year, 1 year you are not going to pay anything to Gemini, but after 1 year auto pay, with the help of auto pay, the 19,500 amount will be deducted from your account after 1 year, not now. Okay, so you have to just do, so what you do, an auto pay page will appear. To apply for the use, simply click on the subscribe, and rupees 2 fees will be charged. As you can see, it is written that starting today you have 12-month free trial, and after September this much account will be deducted from you, and 2 rupees will be deducted as of now as part of apna auto pay. Okay, so don't worry, the 2 rupees which is deducted from you, once this process ends, like once you get the Gemini Pro in like hardly 3 minutes processes, that 2 rupees will again be credited to your account. It is just to check whether that account belongs to you or not, something like that way, like okay, verification is there. So once this step is done, you have to click on subscribe. After subscribe, it will ask you to click continue to your UPI application. So you have to click this continue button, your UPI application will open up, you will set the auto pay. After setting the auto pay, you will get something like this way, the UI auto pay was set up. Once this is done, it is done. Then you finally, congrats, you have the Google Gemini AI Pro subscription with all the features to it. Now even if you want to, like if you're not sure that okay I have got or not, then to verify you can come to the Gemini page again, where we have written the prompt, or like the main console of or the UI of Gemini. Click on this button, this the account button, you will see it, and see, on the basis of that you can have this something called as manage subscription. Here it is written Pro, that means you have got the Pro after, but before it was 2.5 flash, like we were using the free version, but now it is written Pro. So basically you have got the Pro version of this, and therefore it is giving therefore it is asking you to upgrade to Google AI Ultra, which is the more further, but currently we are only providing Pro version, so it is done from our side. Now in final step, this is with respect to Google Gemini you have got, and you are all set to use the Google Gemini for 1 year for free. Now if you remember, we have set an auto pay for 1 year. After 1 year, so in future you can also cancel the auto pay if you wish. If you like, you want that I want to use only the free version, then you can just go in GPay and you can cancel or pause the auto pay as you. So you can see cancel the auto pay if you wish. For that you need to go to Google Pay or wherever you have set the auto pay option, then click on the account icon where the right side upper column, click on auto pay option, scroll down below setting or above setting, there auto pay option is there, click that. On clicking that, it is there something called as Gemini, Google Gemini will be written, click on that, you will get option to pause or cancel the auto pay. Okay, so on the basis of that you can use any, either you want to pause the auto pay or you can cancel the auto pay if you don't want to pay in future ahead. Now this was the complete process for everyone. Now for some of the students in step 3, now let me come to step 3 and show you again. That is after clicking the link. Okay, here for example, some of the students who are not getting the prompt that to show the student India offer, or if someone is clicking on this link, Google One student offer, this link if you are clicking, so basically what it will happen, after clicking on this get student offer, you will see an interface something like that way, this way. Okay, it will ask you for some of your data to verify you are actual student. For example, basically on your Google account, if you have made it long ago, if you have made it with the help of your parents or mobile, something like that way. So on the basis of that, it will ask you just some information. You have to write the country India, education establishment name, basically what is your current college name where you are studying, your first name, your last name, date of birth, and your personal email address, not your college email address. You have to make the Gemini Pro with the help of your personal email address only. So once this is done, so it will take you to the next page, and once this is done, you will again come to this next step, that is the step number 4, to complete your auto pay part. So yes, so this was all about this Google Gemini. And you can, as it is also told that you are getting 2.0 TB of cloud storage, right? So I will show you that also. Yes, so you can see that here I am having 13.12 GB of 2 TB used. So this is a 2 TB which has been allocated with the help of the account, with the help of the account which I have made using the Google Gemini Pro subscription. Yes, so that was all about the Google Gemini Pro version in order for the students to get it. Now, I would also like to once again thank you for all listening for this entire presentation, and also Suraj Mahato sir for giving this opportunity. I want this, as I already told you and mentioned you, that 15th September is the last date, and we are actually very much late in doing this promotion, some kind of. So I request you to share this promotion as much as possible to all your friends and get the benefit. There is no limit that okay, some number of students can only get this offer. There is n number of students who can get this offer without paying any charge, and 1 year subscription is there. Even you cancel the auto pay today or tomorrow, after enrolling you have the subscription of 1 year. No one is going to cancel your subscription. I request you to please spread to all your students or your class students, different college students, and make them get most of this opportunity as an ambassador that I am bringing to you. Okay, and even if some of the students, those who already have the Google Gemini AI, for them you can just scan the QR code, or you can just click on the link. There is nothing, you will get some more information about Gemini. For example, the tools which are there, you can get more information about them. Just click the link even if you have the pro version. So that was it from my side. Thank you and all the best for all your future goals. You can connect with me whenever required if you have any problem in any of these steps. My credentials will be given to you by sir. Thank you.